Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a warm coloring for your video on CapCut. So here you need to add your clips and go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the brightness, increase it into 10 and contrast lower it into -1, and then the saturation increase it to only 2. And lastly, click on a sharpen and increase it into 100, and click on the grabs here, and on the white color add another point in here and make it like this. Okay, go back, click on a check icon, and now click on polish and go to filter. Find the movies category and now select the gray orange in here. Click on that, wait for the filter to apply and click on a check icon, and now you'll get that warm coloring for your video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and last, please click on the thanks below. I'll really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.